all you viewers of Name Later, how we doing today? I know. This one I gotta get slapped around for in this video. Fable Beard Co. is back on the channel with one of their winter lines, the Gingerbeard Man. I know. This came out winter 2019, and I'll be honest with you, I got so backed up on other stuff and so crazed with other videos and doing other things, I forgot to bring it to the channel. Well, I'm bringing it now, because you never know if Colin's going to bring this back this year at Christmas time, or he's going to have a limited release. You never know what the wizard's going to do. But let me give you a little bit of background info on Fable, like I usually do with every video that I shoot. You guys know all about Fable. Skip ahead maybe about a minute or so, and that should bring you right to the meat of this project. Now, you can find them over at fablebeardco.com. Don't go to Fable Beard Company, because that's their CBD line. Fable Beard Co. is where you're going to find almost all of his products. They are very proudly made in the USA, and I know the wizard has relocated and done some other stuff, but everything I've ever gotten from him has come out of Lexington, Virginia, so we're going to go with that for this moment. Like I said, Colin, he's the CEO, he is the wizard, he is the ultimate Fable character. If you ever catch him in live streams, it's never a dull moment. It really, truly is not. And from my understanding, they opened their doors in 2018, so that's really, really cool, you know? Now, I love the big thing about this company with their motto, every beard has a story. And that's the ultimate truth. The way you take care of your beard is different than how I take care of my beard. You know, the fact that I had that white dead patch in there and how I had to regrow it and do it is differently than anybody else who's never had like a dead area, in your beard. But I think that's wonderful. The other thing I think is totally cool about this company is his passion about customer service. I usually, when I'm going to a page to buy something, I'll look at reviews, all right? You want to look and see if they're buying reviews, if anyone's leaving fake reviews, that kind of thing. Well, what caught me is he offered someone 5 different solutions to a problem and finally went, look, none of this is working out. Here's a refund. He's gone above and beyond if there's a problem. All right, now let's get into the fun stuff here. Gingerbeard Man. Look at that. Colin's artwork on his bottles is just freaking amazing, all right? This is going to run you a 1-ounce bottle for about 18 bucks on his web store. It does have the eyedropper top, which I used to love them. Now I'm getting more into restrictor tops, but eyedropper tops are still okay. Now, the oil is amazing, all right? I'll get to all that in a moment. The scent profile is warm gingerbread, rich toffee, and Christmas spices. It's the typical carrier blend for Fable. Coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, and the fragrance oils. His oils feel amazing in beard. My only drawback with this guy, and you can kind of see I didn't use a lot of it, I didn't pick up any gingerbread. I really got hit with that toffee smell a lot, and it didn't work well as a scent profile in my beard. Great oil, does amazing things. The scent profile, I didn't like. This one just wasn't for me. That's not a slam on him. I'm not pulling him down. I'm not doing anything. I'm just saying, not for me. But it's okay. It's going to go to another permanent home here soon. And, I'm sure they're going to give it all the love and attention that it needs. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how to use beard oil, that's totally cool. All right? Oh, yeah, before I forget, there's the coloration of it. It's a little clear, but that's okay. And, as usual, with Fable, it's a medium strength, medium weight to the oil. It's not runny like water. It's not thick like motor oil. It's that perfect right in between. Now, like I said, if you're unfamiliar with how to use it, beard oil has 3 great uses, okay? No COVID, fat boy allergies. All right, first good use is you got to think of it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. I know, we've all seen the commercial, the ads from that other beard oil company. That's right, beard oil is more for your skin than it is for your beard. It's kind of like, a vitamin supplement. It's going to get in there and help your body produce those oils that you need to grow your beard luscious, long, straight, beautiful. Just, your body can only produce so many, and here's a vitamin supplement. Second great use is, especially with Fables, it really helps soften up your beard. It is just amazing what it can do for a dry, scratchy beard and help heal it, help, get the moisture and everything in there. It's great. All right, so you have a better producing beard, a healthier beard. Here's the best part. is if that scent profile agrees in your beard, you have a very wonderful scent. And like with this one, it lasted me 6 to 8 hours. So that's a bonus. Healthier beard, smelling good, softer beard, that'll make your better half really, really happy now, won't it? They're not going to come in close and be up with a cactus smelling like a dog butt. Just saying. Now, to apply it, it's really simple. All right. When you get her open, you get whatever amount of oil you need inside that little eyedropper. Everybody uses a different amount. I usually use, with this size beard, about the size of a quarter. Works perfect for me. And depending on the carrier blends and everything, my beard will drink it right in. And that's just great. Usually get it right in your hand, rub your hands together to really warm it up and activate that scent profile. And that's where you're going to get that big kick of what that oil's got. Work it into your beard and then groom it out. Make sure you work it all the way down to your skin, all right? Because that's where it's most needed. So see, pretty simple, right? I thought so. But we're at the best part of this video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I really would like to know, did you buy the Gingerbeard Man? Did you use it? Did it have great successes for you? You know, have you had great successes with Colin's products? I've got a video out there, and speaking of that, look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. I didn't like some of his butters, but one that I got in the Fable Army subscription box is still going pretty good, and it's not turning rock hard on me. So kudos, Colin. I'll be doing that review here soon for the Vinny P box. I know, I got a lot I got to get done. That's the fun of being a YouTuber. Your life is never boring, right? Okay, guys. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're watching this video. I know with everyone being in quarantine, that everyone is watching everything possible on YouTube, trying to find something new. So, hopefully I brought that to you today. Now, once you're done, long night, hardly any sleep. So, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my first question is why? Okay? Leave me a comment right down below. I'd love to know what I can do to earn your subscription. Just be constructive in your criticism, okay? After you've gotten that done, look right in that corner right there. You're going to see a little channel symbol popping up. See, really, I need caffeine. Man. Big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on the thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question, because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Fable Beard Co.'s Gingerbeard Man. Thank all of you so much for watching. I hope you're safe, and I hope you're having an enjoyable day.